Hey everybody, hope you guys are doing great. A lot of you guys have been asking me what I'm eating for dinner. Obviously you can see many recipes on our website, but for like real live action as far as what I'm doing for dinner, let's see if you can see this right here. That is a wrap, okay? So this is a coconut flour wrap, and I have got chicken, vegetables, and I have got some arugula right there, if you can see that as well. So some arugula and a bunch of guacamole. So you see that? So in the guacamole, I've got avocado, which is a really good keto fat, amazing for the body. And let's see, we've got lemon juice in there, organic lemon juice. And I actually put in a little bit of our raw milk, grass-fed milk, just a little bit to make it really creamy, and salt. And of course, we've got our coconut flour wraps. So you can see that, coconut flour wraps. You can find those on Amazon. You can see this is Thrive Market right here as well. So you can see that. And right over here, you can see that, this is what Shanae, our au pair, Shanae, say hi. Mouthful right there. Sorry, I put her on the spot. So she went ahead and she cooked up some chicken and vegetables, some peppers, onions, different things like that that are in there. And again, you can see here, here is the wrap, coconut flour. It's the turmeric flavored coconut flour wrap because turmeric is such a powerful anti-inflammatory, and it tastes amazing. And then I load it up with guacamole. We also have sour cream, so I can put sour cream, which is from grass-fed. You can see here, organic sour cream right there. And are you doing a video as well?
Yeah. Okay.
So, and Angel's doing a video as well. Okay, so we're both interviewing this. But you can see this pasture raised, okay? If you can see that, I know it's a little blurry. But pasture raised right there, and this is what the guys are eating. So you can see here, he is digging in. And David, what you got there? Okay, let's see. We have got avocado, guacamole. You like the guacamole, right? That's good. You see the movie? See that movie? He's got sour cream, chicken. He's got coconut flour wrap there. And then over here we've got Joshua. You can see by his face that he has gotten into the avocado, the guacamole, and the sour cream, right? So let me angle this just right. So you can see there, he has really gotten into that. So obviously doing great with the healthy fats, the ketogenic fats, right, Joshua? You see the movie? You smile for the movie? Say hi. Hi. There you go. There you go. David, you want to wave?
Hi.
So this is how you get a child to eat like this. You just put really good food on his plate, and he starts going at it. Now, right here, what kind of chips are these, sweetie? These are the paleo chips made out of cassava. Cassava. Let me show that real fast. So, I personally don't eat the chips, but they are healthier. Not keto, but healthier.
So they're grain-free tortilla chips.
Yeah. Let me...
And the brand is, I think, called Siete. I have another bag that's
there. It is. Here it is. Grain-free tortilla chips. Right there. So, again, not keto, but definitely healthier.
Made out of Whole Foods.
Yes.
Grain-free.
And also using avocado oil there as well.
Oils.
So there you go, guys. You guys can see this is kind of what we do. This is actually something we consume. We eat every... All right. This is something we eat every week in our household. We love this dish, and you can do it right and get high-quality, healthy fats, lots of micronutrients, fiber, and some clean protein in there as well. So hopefully that was a helpful little video for you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the Keto Edge Summit, too. We're on day 3, where we're talking about cancer, and day 4 tomorrow. Look forward to that. We're all about keto and the microbiome, so check that out for sure. Day 5, we're talking about heart disease, metabolic disease, diabetes. Day 6, it's all about women, keto for women. So all you ladies out there, tune in. That's Saturday, the day before Mother's Day. And then day 7 on Mother's Day, it's all about practical application. So Definitely tune into that, and we'll see you guys soon. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.